Hello, absolutely Baltic here, as they say in Northern Ireland. 10 degrees in the unit today, 2 degrees outside, so it's freezing. One of our subscribers has asked me to make this video because he has a 24 volt single seat golf buggy, likely running a Curtis controller, and he has two 12 volt batteries, and they will be connected very likely with a lead like this. So there's 12 volts here, 12 volts here, and the loop lead to connect the two 12 volt batteries into a 24 volt plug. It may not have this plug, it may just be wired directly into the controller. So it's a really simple conversion. I'm going to draw it out, but on this Curtis controller there is a positive and a negative battery connection. So this is 24 volts in. So if you have a 24 volt battery, you can connect the positive and the negative directly to the controller from the battery. And how you do that is by taking the link lead out of the two 12 volts and taking the positive here and the negative here, likely from a Molex plug like this, or sorry, not a Molex, a Torbury plug like this, from your lithium battery. So I'll draw it out here in the diagram, and then it'll maybe make a little bit more sense. Right, so this is our two batteries here, positive, negative, 12 volts. Battery here, 12 volts, positive and negative. So you will have one wire coming off the positive, coming off the negative, one wire coming off the positive, and these two connected together, and that's going to give you positive and negative 24 volts. That 24 volt system then will run into the Curtis controller, and you're going to have a positive and a negative and 24 volts on your Curtis controller. So when you're doing away with these two batteries, you're taking your one lithium battery, 24 volts, positive and negative, and you're simply taking those two wires, one to the positive side, which will be red, and one to the negative side, which will be black, and that's your 24 volt lithium battery. So it's likely going to have a plug like this. Let's use red and black. You do away with these two plug ends, you take this one wire to the positive side and you take this one wire to the negative side. Simple as that. If you have any more questions on that, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.